Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today, we are in Ende, East Nusa Tenggara. We will wait here from 7 a.m. until our departure to our destination at 7:45 a.m. The duration of the trip we will take from this place to the first destination is 3 hours. But before we start our journey, please make sure everyone has had breakfast. Okay, please everyone follow me onto the bus. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to meet you all. Everyone, I am Cecilia Firianti Arine, and you guys can call me Selfie. I am from Ketapel Tour and Travel Agency, and I'm so proud to be your guide today. Let me introduce our crew. On my left is Mr. Anton, a professional bus driver, and on my right is our assistant driver. He is Mr. Smith. Everyone, we will visit Bajawa, specifically to Wogo Village, our first destination. The second stop will be in Molobobo Hill, and the last place we will visit is the hot spring at Soa Hot Spring. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you about Indonesia and the places in East Nusa Tenggara, specifically about Bajawa, the places we go now. Indonesia is one of the largest island countries in this world, consisting of 17,000 islands across 34 provinces. The capital city of Indonesia is Jakarta, and the population exceeds 267 million people. Indonesia has 3 different time zones. The currency in Indonesia is the rupiah. As you can see, this is a 10,000 rupiah, which is you can use to buy 2 small bottles of mineral water or 5 pieces bread. Regarding to weather, Indonesia has a tropical climate with dry season from April to October and rainy season from November to March. Now, I would like to tell you about East Nusa Tenggara. East Nusa Tenggara is one of the provinces located in eastern part of Indonesia. The people of this region are very friendly to those around them, and when we meet them, they will gladly welcome us, and the culture here is very unique. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at Wogo Village. Before we leave the bus, please check your belongings and be careful with your appearance. Now, we are in Wogo Village. And right now, I would like to give you some information about it. Once we arrive there, we will see traditional houses built by the local community from long time ago, and we will also see handicraft from the locals, namely Woven Ikat Fabric or Tenun Ikat. We must not speak rudely near the traditional houses or litter. Here, you can take photos and explore the surroundings, and we will spend about 75 minutes here. If you guys have any question, you guys can tell me. Okay everyone, if you don't have any question, you can look around and take photos. Okay ladies and gentlemen, our time here is up. So the next place we will visit is Wolobobu. Right now, I want to tell you about Wolabobo. Wolabobo is a tourist hill with exotic views, surrounded by white clouds and Missouri valleys. Wolabobo Hill is located at an altitude of about 1,500 to 1,700 meters above sea level. At the top of Wolabobo Hill, there are parking areas, a canteen, toilets, and the rest areas. Before entering Wolabobo Hill, we need to purchase an entrance ticket for 10,000 rupiah. There, we will enjoy the views and taste of famous Bajawa Arabica coffee. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Wolabobo Hill. Before getting off the bus, please make sure you are prepared and bring a walking stick for the hike. We will spend about 35 minutes here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how was the view just now? It's beautiful, isn't it? Alright, now we will head back to the bus and go to our final destination in Bajawa, which is the hot spring at Soa Hot Spring. Before heading to the hot spring, we will stop for lunch at Bajawa Family Resto and take about 30 minutes in there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our way to the last tourist spot, which is the hot spring at Soa. Before entering, we will need to pay an entrance fee of 1,500 rupiah per person, and the hot spring area are a great place to visit for activities such as bathing, taking photos, and enjoying the beautiful and cool atmosphere. This tourist spot provides various facilities, including public toilets, dining areas, and a forest with walking paths, as well as various souvenirs sold by the local community. Upon arrival, visitors are expected to maintain the cleanliness of the location. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Soa Hot Spring area. And please don't forget to bring your belongings so that nothing is left behind. We will spend about 2 hours here, and please enjoy your time. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to return to Ende, East Nusa Tenggara. Thank you so much for today. Please have a good rest and see you again.